Hallelujah, Yahweh. This is Prophet Yahweh, seer of Yahweh, master UFO caller. Right here is, wait a minute, today is September the 1st, 2007. Right here is Lake Mead. Lake Mead is where Las Vegas gets its water supply. Las Vegas is about 30 miles away. This is it. On the other side of it is Hoover Dam. Now, what people don't know, the news won't tell you that Las Vegas is in an emergency water crisis. We're going to try to go down there so you can see the water tables and how far they dropped, okay? But by the time we get to Hoover Dam, it'll be clear that it's preparing to be a serious water rationing here in this area if the rains and the doesn't pick up. I'll talk to you. Let's go. Hallelujah, Yahweh. Prophet Yahweh, seer Yahweh, master UFO caller. We're down here at Lake Mead in Nevada, about 20, 30 something miles outside of Las Vegas. But this is where Las Vegas gets all this water. I just told you about the water crisis that the news of which is being contained and is not being made known throughout the country. Every once in a while they'll let us know. But you can see here. Why don't you turn over towards some of them, and especially that island, while I talk. You can see the water level. You can look on the far shores, and you can see the water levels, and see that it is drastically reduced. Okay, you can come back to me. If you think this is something, wait until we get to Hoover Dam. And they are preparing to put us on water rationing in Las Vegas because of this. But in a future show, we'll get on the ferry boat and just ride throughout the Lake Mead area. This is man-made lake now, and Hoover Dam backs it up. So let's go over to Hoover Dam and see how how the water levels look there. Okay? All right. Wait a minute. I want to come and zoom in on everything. Hold on. Thank you. Look at those, how much the water tables have dropped. Look over the back end there. You can see, you can tell. All of these little islands here, they used to be underwater. Well, some of them, you can see there at the top where the water line ended and began. Most of all that was underwater. Anyway, it was a big time boating thing here. Now people have to be very careful because of the lack of water. They don't have such a wide space to boat in, and people are running into each other and people are dying. Anyway, Prophet Yahweh out of here. Let's go down to Hoover Dam, you all. Hallelujah, Yahweh. We just made it to Hoover Dam. Now, I want you to watch this closely. Do a scan right there, Angie, of the water table. It is really scary. And you can see it's constantly falling because you got a higher white rock and a darker lower rock, which means that, it's constantly sinking. The darker meaning the rock has more water in it than the higher levels. Wow, man. Let me zoom in on this. Okay, check this out here. It'll help put things in perspective. We are on the verge of a serious water shortage. Oh, hold on. In Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we're preparing to go down these steps here. Down there, we're going to walk around and come on around to the all the way over there to right there. Right there. We got a long walk and it's hot, but you'll see what I got something to show you. You'll see what it is. That's my wife Angie on the right. That's my sister-in-law Lauren. Let's go.
You got me with the thing on my head.
Yeah. After coming from way up there, we're here. As far as those water gates, that's them here. We're looking at the backside. The water is out there, and you can see the water table where it leaves off. And the water no longer runs from these gates. Oh, it's a beautiful sight to see the top of these gates open, man, and that water go down in there. Wow. And look at the people, to give you an idea how big that hole was for the water. Look at the people. And the car, real small. Okay. Now look at the hole in comparison. Wow. We're in the middle of Mojave Desert, and I'm going to surprise my wife and her sister. They're desperate for Look at them. Laura has a blue towel that goes over her head. I caught you, Angie, Lori. Hey, I'm going on down ahead of you all. After coming from on top of that hill, down those steps, all around, we finally made it to the front. Okay. And here's the back end of the water drain, excess water drain of the dam. There's the water, and bingo. We're headed on down. By the way, the reason why this traffic is so thick, two cars had to sideswipe each other, and trucks have to come and get them. I know we came down from the other side. Hallelujah, Yahweh. Oh. Okay. We come all the way around to the back side. There they are. Okay, hey y'all. Now watch this. This is where the divider is, right before the water gets to where it plunges down the dam. Those are boats out there fishing. Beautiful fish. I remember the times I just come here and right at that water line, we could look down from us right about there on that walkway and see giant fish. You know, so anyway, that's how far it's falling. Hey, hey. Woohoo. Anyway, oh, look over here, y'all. What does that say? It says Hoover Dam. Let me get close. 1931, it opened. What? 1935? Maybe it just, it started construction in 1931, 1935. It was finished. Okay, let's go down and see the backside of the dam, and we out of here, back to Las Vegas. Yes? How you like this long walk in the desert, the middle of the Mojave Desert in the heat? Uh-oh, here we go. Let's take a look down. Oh, man, I got to pull all the way off this. Ooh, that's scary, man. Wow. Hoover Dam. Oh, you're in the shade, hey? Man, we would have to walk all the way over there to get a shot of the gates at the very bottom there. But we're not doing that on this run. Pretty soon I'll do a show called The Sightings of Lake Mead and Hoover Dam. You know, we'll be summoning as well as showing everybody Lake Mead. We're going to take helicopter rides over Lake Mead and Hoover Dam and add it all into a beautiful show with deep summoning and deep UFOs. Oh, man, this is great. This is so great. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yep, let's get back to Las Vegas. All right. Y'all ready to go back? Get in the air-conditioned car? Follow me. Yes, I'm still recording.
Okay, how long are you going to record?
I don't know.
Okay, well, how about you drive down here and pick us up?
Me walk up there and drive down here and pick you all up?
Yeah.
Is that a deal?
That would be wonderful.
Her leg's hurting.
Okay, I'll go.
Okay.
I'll go.
You have your keys?
Yeah. I think. Yeah, I got the car keys. These people got to get out the way because I'm filming, showing my walk most of the way back up there. I got to follow everybody back around here and back up the stairs to that parking lot to Hoover Dam. I say goodbye to everybody looking at this. You've seen Hoover Dam. Selah. Okay. Getting ready to go up. I'm following everybody. Boy, I dread hitting those steps. But I got to. Well, I'm here. I am here. And this guy's in my way. Oh, hallelujah. I think it's about 115 or something like that now. Oh, my leg. I see why Angie and them wanted to wait. Oh, man. This guy here, he looks like he's not bothered at all. Hasn't even stopped. Oh. But judging by the muscles in his legs, he looked like he's used to climbing. Oh, I gotta stop. Oh. Some of y'all may think I haven't come far at all. but it's a long way for me. Oh man. Oh. I need some water. 150. This would have been too much for Angie. Oh man. Oh, now I gotta go to that parking lot. Oh my goodness. I gotta get in shape. But they have a lookout area up there. Next time I come, we'll go up there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Woo! Man, I can't wait to get to the car. Hey. Oh boy. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. And here we are. Well, my car. Selah. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my car. I gotta get in this line some kind of way. They're gonna let me in. I gotta go and get my baby. See. I should have shot in there. After these two trucks here, I'm going. They may have a right of way. My wife and sister-in-law's down there. Okay. Thank you. Oh man, I'm chewing gum. But no, it's all in the recording now. Oh man, shucks. Well, oh man, I'm not supposed to chew gum when I'm doing a recording. Ooh-wee. Let me tell you, it is hot. It is so hot, Superman would ride in the cab. Well, to all my subscribers, this is just the beginning of us touring out to areas where we will be summoning. I shot this for a reason. This was for my subscribers only. I'm not going to start actually shooting for at least summoning for at least another couple of days. But Lake Mead and Hoover Dam is the place where I really plan on doing some serious summonings, and I wanted to show it to you. You may say, why don't you stop just putting together films and videos and just summon? Forget all that. You don't want to see Hoover Dam or Lake Mead. Well, I want my show to be entertaining. You know, why go into a city and then just do summons when we can also add in of, you know, what that city is like, the tourist attractions, surrounding areas, in with the summons. I'll probably use this footage here again, or either come back and shoot for when I get ready to get started for the summonings of Lake Mead and Hoover Dam. Won't be much longer now. Oh yeah, this is sweet. We have the summoning sites. In fact, we have more than one. Yes. Oh man, now you can see how slow this traffic is, but look, we have about 3 of them. The main one is the yard in the back of the UFO orientation house. You all will see the link to it in the email with the link to this video. And we'll probably be there either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, whatever. But this is great. This is great. I'm finally getting out and about with my cameras, even though this is not, I won't be summoning now because I don't summon in this show. I don't want to summon in this show unless it's live. It's just that simple, unless it's live. The main spot is the summoning backyard across the street from the housing projects, but that's okay. I have an alley where I go also. There's an alley where I can plug in and go live. You'll see that soon. Then there's a backyard that a woman is allowing me to summon in that has a brick wall where nobody can see in it. So we got about 3 summoning areas so far, and I have to keep it like that because I don't want people coming. I don't want to have one spot where a bunch of crazos can come whenever they think it's a clear day that I may be there. I'll be rotating from site to site to site to site to site. I ain't stupid. You know, I don't fear them. I just don't want to have to do nothing to anybody to protect my life, you know, or have my people do it, since they'll be my bodyguards. Other than that, I got to keep going, no, you know, where people can't know when I'll be, where I'm at, and just be wise. Those close to me and my students, they will know. Well, only those that will be in Las Vegas will know. And even then, they won't know where I'll be until they meet my team at a certain spot. And they can all ride down there together with my van or however I do it. I'm not sure. But Hoover Dam is in the middle of the Mojave Desert. And I planned on filming beautiful sightings all around Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. Oh, there my wifey is and her sister. Let me go over there. Yeah, they've been in that shade waiting for me to come back. Here they come. Was it hot enough?
It was pretty cool over there.
Yeah, we're good.
Y'all ready to go back to Las Vegas now?
We ran into some people.
We were talking to those again.
Oh yeah, they were talking about the heat too, huh?
Oh, well, about somebody they don't know why they keep walking around. It's nothing here for them to see, really, is what she would say. Prophet.
What?
There's a visitor center up here where we can get some water.
Some water?
Please, because I really
Say pretty please again. Now you got to say pretty please too.
Pretty please, brother-in-law, please.
Okay. All right.
And we'll get you some fresh water.
Oh, I got mine. Mine's still cool, isn't it? Feel it.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. It's so pretty, but not like it was at first.
I know I don't have to tell you, I had a real hard time getting back to the car.
Because the video?
Yeah, film me some. All right.
That's right.
Exactly.
You star, you star. All right.
Hey,
I'm the
who's
star.
that? Prophet Yahweh. Hallelujah, Yahweh. September the 1st, 2007.
Oh, yeah, I think I forgot to say
A
that.
drive-in man. To an
Yeah.
hour in Las Vegas. One of our Las Vegas productions.
Woo.
Out here at Hoover.
So when we coming back again, brother?
No, I'm just joking.
No.
In the wintertime.
Oh, in the winter.
Woo, or in the spring when we don't have to deal with this heat.
But our thing says for 5 days.
Oh, yeah, the pass we got.
Oh, yeah.
But that was just for
Oh.
the Lake Mead Beach area.
Oh, okay.
But we can still use it, though.
Yeah, I'm not coming back in these 5 days. They can have that $5.
Okay, well, the spring.
No, I said come early
when
today.
my Sweeney comes.
Yeah, well,
We'll be
yeah.
here in November.
In November? Well, he will bring him out here and the weather will be perfect.
Oh, okay.
That's the only thing about Las Vegas. You can, it is a different kind of hot. I'm not sweating, but it's as if I'm in, whoo,
Baby, he would
as if, whoo,
he would not have done
it's a
that.
dry heat. If I'd been on the East Coast, I'd have been all wet.
There's a bus. Only one. I don't think it's coming this way. I don't know. But one since how long, right?
And just show them the new highway they're building up there. So that it won't be just a two-way lane, but rather it'll be 2 lanes going in both directions. And two highways going in both directions, and both highways are 2 lanes. Okay, did you get it? Over there is where you can go down in there inside the Hoover Dam. Show them that.
Oh, yeah.
The exhibits and over here,
Okay, food and gifts. We need to go there and get some water.
food and gifts.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll go there, park over there, and there it is. We take a break and go in some air conditioning, and you're still recording. Look at it.
Oh, now, come on. You pushing more than me and you. Yeah.
Did you film for food and gifts? Okay, that's where we're going. Turn right up here. Whew. And then we'll be on our way out of here. Let's say, AJ, turn the camera to me, Angie, so I can say goodbye. I want to bid you all farewell. Thanks for tuning in to the little test production. The full force productions will be going as soon as we get all the cables and wires and everything plugged up. Other than that, I'll talk to you in the next broadcast.